Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a hazard in Waze app in 2026. Have you been driving and you noticed a road hazard in the middle of the road? Reporting a hazard in Waze can be useful for other drivers or users of the Waze app. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store. So if you don't download it, make sure to head to the store and download it from there. And it will make your driving much easier. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to report a hazard in Waze. Now, if you encounter something that could affect other drivers, you're going to have to open the report menu only when it's safe to do so. So you're going to have to park your car or ask a passenger to operate or report this issue. Now, while reporting, you're going to have to click on the yellow triangle here, as you can see in the bottom right corner. This is the yellow triangle. It's useful for reporting any case of traffic, police, crash, hazard, closure, blocked lanes, etc. So from these options, you're going to select hazard. It has the yellow triangles with the exclamation mark. So you're going to select the hazard and choose the type of hazard if Waze provides additional options. Make sure to check that the location is correct and submit the report. Now, hazards can include things such as an object on the road, damaged road surfaces, or other conditions that may require drivers to slow down and never interact with your phone while driving if it distracts you. Ask a passenger to make the report or wait until you're safely parked. Also, drive carefully around the hazard and follow any temporary signs instructions. And that's how you report a hazard in Waze in 2026. And if this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.